How to get chromas in Blooket easily? Here's how to get them faster and easier, even as a beginner. Chromas only drop from specific boxes, like the Safari, Blizzard, or Spooky box. Check the box info. It will show the odds. Most chromas have a 0.03% drop rate, though, but not impossible. Don't waste tokens daily. Save them. Try saving up 2,500 to 5,000 tokens and do a big unboxing sessions. More pulls, higher odds, and hey, it's way more fun. Then, join limited time events like Halloween or Winter, where chromas are easier to get. Some players swear by unboxing late at night. Coincidence? Maybe. Worth trying totally. Play daily, win games, struck tokens. Don't give up after a few tries. The lucky pull always hits when you least expect it. So now, you know the strategy. Go chase that chroma flex, follow for more Blooket hacks, and good luck out there.